Choose tile size and type for a bathroom floor by matching water resistance, slip safety, and grout line goals to the room size and layout. Start by measuring the bathroom and noting door swing, fixtures, and any alcoves so you can plan full tiles and minimize cuts. For material, choose porcelain for the highest water resistance and low porosity, or ceramic for a lighter weight and easier cutting if the subfloor is stable. Natural stone is beautiful but needs sealing and a flatter substrate. Consider tile size relative to space. Larger tiles reduce visible grout lines and make small bathrooms feel larger but require a flatter subfloor and more precise leveling during installation. Smaller tiles conform to curves and slopes and offer more slip resistance when combined with more grout. For texture, pick a matte or slightly textured finish in wet zones to increase traction while keeping glazed surfaces for easy cleaning. Test a sample with water on it and stand on it to feel slip tendency. Match grout joint width to tile size and rectified edges. Use narrower joints with rectified or large format tiles and wider joints with handmade looks or mosaics to hide variation. When planning layout, choose a central focal point or align tiles with fixtures and doors to avoid tiny edge cuts, and calculate material with 10% extra for waste, plus additional for pattern matching when using directional or veined tiles. The most common mistake is choosing very large format tiles without checking subfloor flatness, which leads to lippage and an uneven feel. So have the floor leveled and use a proper thinset and large format tile mortar to correct small deviations. Another frequent issue is selecting a highly polished or smooth glazed tile which becomes slick when wet, so opt for a rated slip resistant finish or textured tile for the floor and reserve polished tiles for walls. Homeowners also underestimate grout maintenance and color choice, which can stain and show dirt quickly, so choose an appropriate grout color, consider epoxy grout for high moisture areas, and seal natural stone tiles regularly to prevent discoloration. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and view profiles and project examples so we can match your tile choice to installers who have relevant experience. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners. And we host a discussion community where our users exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos of completed bathroom tiling projects.